Here's the eye of Pit Droid. I took it off so I could put some LEDs in it. That's what it looks like when it's stationary. No motion is detected. And then I took the top of the Pit Droid off, the head. It just detected motion, so now it's playing sounds. It's got this spotlight looking thing here. And the head will move while the spotlight is on. The eye, or whatever you want to call that. For 30 seconds it'll do this. If no motion is detected, it'll go back to that pixel fade look. And then the head up here will go back to a neutral position. So if it's turned, it'll go back neutral just like that. Got the pixel fade thing going on here. Here I've got the SparkFun board. It's a quick board with a quick connect, which I've really grown to like here. I've got the quick connect button that'll go between this and detect no motion. And if I push it again, it'll activate the sensor, the PIR sensor, which is right here, and it will detect motion. So if I don't want motion, if I don't want this right here, I just push the button once. But that's what I've got so far. I've got the servos connected to a motor driver, Adafruit motor driver on a Arduino Mega board, and then they're connected, the two boards, between with the RX TX pins for serial communication. It's worked all right so far, and I've got the sound connected to a speaker back there. That's it.